You work too hard to leave any money on the table. And yet, that's exactly what most high-income earners, investors, and business owners are doing. Not because they're careless, but because no one ever taught them how to use the tax code as a tool. At Investor Friendly CPA, we're changing that. Hi, I'm Kinsley, VP of Marketing here at Investor Friendly CPA, and we are not your average tax firm, and that's by design. After years in Big Four consulting and advising Fortune 1000 clients, Ashish Acharya, our CEO and founder, realized something frustrating. The tax strategies that help the ultra-wealthy stay wealthy were rarely shared with the entrepreneurs actually doing the work. So he built this firm to close the gap and to make powerful tax strategies accessible for business owners, high-income earners, and real estate investors across the U.S. At Investor Friendly CPA, we help you legally reduce your taxes, structure your business for both protection and performance, maximize cash flow, and build long-term generational wealth. We don't just file your returns, we deliver proactive tax strategy, entity optimization, IRS audit defense, business structuring and consulting, full tax planning and preparation, and bookkeeping. Our clients are growth-minded and legacy-focused individuals. From real estate investors and syndicators, physicians, CEOs, and founders, entrepreneurs with multiple income streams, to families building generational wealth. Wherever you are in your journey, we tailor strategy to you and walk you through every step of the way. We don't believe in generic tax plans. We believe in clarity, confidence, and results. That's why we give you not just the what, but the why behind every strategy. And we back it up with resources, downloadable guides, video explainers, checklists, client tools, everything you could possibly need broken down to make smarter financial decisions. Investor Friendly CPA is just the beginning. We're part of a larger ecosystem designed to support your growth. Full-time employee or FTE, or offshore staffing solution that helps firms scale leaner, faster, with secure, high-quality global talent. TaxMD, our AI-powered tax strategy platform that helps individuals, firms, and business owners design personalized tax saving strategies with the power of data, all in one seamless, easy-to-use tool. IFC Hope Foundation, our nonprofit arm, providing scholarships, mentorship, and financial literacy to communities in Nepal and beyond. Because when we grow, others should too. And at the end of the day, our mission is simple: help you stop overpaying, start planning, and build something incredible. Keep more of what you earn, move with strategy, not stress, and create the legacy that your work deserves. Thanks for being a part of our story. Let's build something powerful together.